we are rolling. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, hi guys, my name is Ruchita and I create videos related to makeup, skincare, fashion, basically everything related to beauty. And today's video is extremely special for me. One, because I am filming this on my new camera, and second reason is in this video I'm going to unbox all my luxury perfumes that I bought like in these 2 weeks. So yeah, let's just, without any further ado, let's just get started. I am super excited. Let's get started. I'm going to save this baby for the last one. So yeah, first one is not a perfume, it is a body mist, and this one is from Sol de Janeiro. It's Brazilian Crush in 68 and I just love this. I have the mini version. I bought that so that I can try it, and this one is the full 90 ml or 100 ml bottle that I absolutely love. So yeah, I'm going to open it. Oopsie. थोड़ा सा रह गया है नीचे. I love this big bottle. Like, I love the packaging. I love this bottle. It is very cute. I love how it smells. It's amazing. It is very soft. It's feminine. It's amazing. This one is very soft, it is very feminine, it's very light. I just love it. It's all jasmines and everything. I just love this one. Yeah, Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush in 68. I think it is very underrated. Sol de Janeiro, out of all the Sol de Janeiros, I love it. 68 it is. It just, if you like soft, feminine, powdery, florally scents, then this one is for you. Okay, moving on. Which one should I pick the next? Okay, Victoria's Secrets. This one is Victoria's Secret's Bombshell, the perfume. I have 2 perfumes from Victoria's Secret. This one is the first one. It is Victoria's Secret Bombshell, the seduction variant, and it was amazing. Like, I bought this one from store. Unboxing these perfumes are so satisfying. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Look at this beauty. This one is so cute. I love nude pastel shades. This one is like perfection. Perfection. Oh my god, I love this. It has this little bow thing going on. Oh, it went on my camera. This one is really good. One smells exactly like the name of the perfume. It smells very seductive. It's very soft. It's powdery. It's really good. I love it. I was very confused if I should buy the 50 ml or should I go for 100 ml, and finally I bought the bigger one. Yeah. Absolutely worth it. Price of this one is 8,999, but it is absolutely worth it. I was saving to buy all these perfumes and I wanted to buy it in one go. So yeah. Okay, moving on to the next one. I'm going to arrange these perfumes right here. This is the first vegan. Moving on. I don't know if I should store this in the boxes or should I keep it directly in the tray. Let's see. Moving on to the second perfume from Victoria's Secrets, and the name is Victoria's Secrets Bombshell Isle. I love it. This one, the bottle is amazing, you'll see it. And the most satisfying part, again, price of this one same hi rahega mostly though. Again, this one is also for 9,000. Can we take a moment? So pretty, so pretty. This one has this tassels going on. This one had the bow thingy and this one has this cute little tassel, which also came very protected. Good thing. Bottles are like very pretty. They have very pretty bottles. Even this one. Again, I did not like the original Bombshell. I don't know why. It was not my vibe, but these two are perfection. I'm going to get a headache after spraying all these perfumes, but it is worth it because I was waiting to unbox all these perfumes for a really long time. This one smells like coconuts, ocean, fresh, smooth. I love this one. Actually, out of both of these, I love this one a little much. I don't know what I can say. I'm very overwhelmed right now to open all these perfumes, but this one is perfection. This one is little floral, it's little coconutty, aqua, fresh. I love this one. I love this one a little too much. I love both the Victoria's Secret perfumes, but I love this one a little more than this. Both the perfumes are amazing. They are very seductive. It's very fresh, smooth, but I love this one. If I have to choose one from this, it's going to be this one. It's totally my vibe. I generally like very fresh, clean, little aquatic or little citrusy perfumes. So yeah, I love this one a little more than this one. Yeah. Again, in my stack. 3 done. 1 was missed, so yeah. Now, and actually I even got this one with Sol de Janeiro. It is the original variant and I even love this one. This one smells like vacation for me. It is like coconutty, it is fresh. I don't know, I don't have proper words to explain this. I already had 68 and this one, but this one came free with the bigger bottle of 68 Sol de Janeiro. So yeah, this is like perfect. It sits perfectly in my travel bag. So yeah, I'm literally very happy. Even this is perfect for traveling, but this is very compact. So yeah, I can just refill it and travel with this one. This will go in my bag. This one in my cupboard. 3 perfumes are done. We are on the 4th one, and again I have 2 perfumes from Giorgio Armani. The normal one and the intense one. I have both. I have 90 ml in the original version and I have 50 ml in the intense one. I don't know why I did it, but yeah, it is what it is. So let's just start with opening. This is the original version of My Way and I love this. I can already smell it. Oh my god. This one is little citrusy. It has jasmine, it is floral, it's citrusy. It's like perfect combination of what I love. I just love it. I just love it. I have no other word. When I did a lot of research before buying all these perfumes. Then I went in the store, I took a sniff, and then I was like, okay, I can buy it. And I bought all the perfumes from the store itself. This one is like, this one is so cozy. I don't know, it's like it smells like a hug. I bought this one today, by the way. I bought original one today and I had the intense one since like a week because I was confused. I liked both of them, but I ended up buying the intense one. But then I was like, yeah, I want the original one too. So I went to the store and bought this one today. Yeah, so this is the fourth perfume. It's My Way from Giorgio Armani. It's the original version. Here it goes. Moving on to the fifth perfume, which is again also from Giorgio Armani, but this one is the intense version of My Way. So yeah, let's. Price of 50 ml My Way is rupees 8,600. Tiny bottle. This one is intense version of My Way. I am going to make a detailed video about how these perfumes exactly smell with all their middle notes, top notes and base notes. So yeah, stay tuned for that one too. It's more floral, citrusy, it's a little woody. I don't know why, I think I like that one more than this one. This one is little more florally compared to the normal one. That one is more citrusy and this one is more floral. So yeah, love it. By the way, price of this one is rupees 8,600 and price of this one is 10,400. So yeah, you get this too. I like this one more because I lean more towards citrusy scents. This was the fourth one and this was the fifth one. Moving on. Now I have a tie between last two. I love both of them equally. But before that I'm going to open this one too. I got this one. This one is from Skin, Amalfi Blue. Yeah, tha to I think I should open this with this video only. I bought even this one, and this one is a little pricey. so I thought that I will open this one in this video only now. बस 30 ml का bottle था. I was like, I'll try and see if I like it, and then I will buy the full version, big version of this one. This one is 30 ml. I wanted to try and see if I like it, and तब भी जाके I'll buy the full version of this one. This one is very cute. I think I have this. I think I have this. It's nice. It's very aquatic. I like it. This one is for 1600. Very cute. I like it. I love it. If you want something luxury smelling perfume but on a budget, then you can go for this one. This one smells good. So I have this one is, I guess, 50 ml. No, even this one is 30 ml. I don't know why I bought this. But yeah, anyway, yes. This one was about to distay ka sampatalay hai. Yeah, so refill. And now we are on the last two perfumes of this video, and I love both of them equally. So now I think I'll go with the Sephora one. So this one is from Miss Dior. It's their Blooming Bouquet, and they also gave me a miniature of Rose and Roses. So yeah, I think I'll open the miniature one first because it is extremely cute. You guys need to see this. बहुत ज़्यादा ही cute है यार. Like, I'm not going to use it. I don't like rose fragrances that much. But look at this. Can we take a moment to appreciate this miniature, because this one is cute, like cute, super cute. Yeah, I don't like the way it smells because I don't like rose fragrances that much, but cute. Okay, moving on to this one. Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet from Dior. बरं वाटलं. Finally opening this one. भीती वाटते मला थोडीशी, but yeah. थोडीशी भीती वाटली की मराठी येते माझ्यातली बाहेर. मराठीच केला पाहिजे होता का हा व्हिडिओ? Never mind. Okay, by the way, this one is for rupees 9,300. I have spent money like this on my perfumes. Yeah. Finally. How cute is this bottle? I know it's a little small. Like, this one is the 50 ml, and even the 50 ml retails for rupees 9,600, which is a little expensive. Everything is very expensive. It is not little expensive, but I wanted it, so yeah. I don't want to waste it just by spraying it. It's very expensive, but yeah. I'm so scared to waste it. I don't know why. I wish you can smell this through this camera. It is that good. I can just keep smelling it for hours and hours. It is that good. But I think I will get the Miss Dior Absolute Blooming also, hopefully by this month's end. Hopefully. Perfection. No wonders why it is that expensive. Again, this one is from Dior. What else can we expect? This is perfection. I don't have words to express this one. And this one has roses too, and I don't know how do I like this, but this one is very sexy, seductive, very soft, feminine, floral. It's like perfection in a bottle. No wonders it is so expensive. It is like perfect. How cute is this? Perfect. So this was perfume number 1. This is the 6th perfume. Yeah. I love it. I mean, I'm very happy that I spent all this money. My mom and my dad are super mad at me. But आवडलं यार मला. आता काय करू मी? So cute. Focus होतंय का? Focus होतंय का? This is straight up cute. And for the last perfume of this video, obviously I'm going to buy more luxury perfumes after this because it has become like an obsession for me now. I'm going to spend like this on the perfumes, but yeah, this perfume was on my wish list for a really long time, so I bought the set. It is that good. It's none other than Prada Paradoxe. This one is expensive. This one retails for rupees 10,200. But yeah, it smells divine. Like divine. I'm not going to throw this box, obviously. Distay ka? Chan na? I know. I bought 3 perfumes from Shoppers Stop, 2 from Victoria's Secret, and 1 from Nykaa, and this one is from Sephora. So yeah, this baby right here is perfection. It smells divine. It has an intense version too, but I like the original version more. Look at the bottle first. Take a moment, appreciate it. This one is beauty. Yeah. This one is the original Prada Paradoxe. Now my mom and dad does not know the exact price of these perfumes, which they will come to know after watching this video. So wish me some luck so that I'll be able to film more videos after this. I don't want to waste. One spray. Perfection. Saved the best for the last one. Obviously, I love Dior, but this one is perfection. This one is perfect. It is little floral. It is little citrusy. It's soft. It's smooth. It's feminine. I just love it. I just love it. I just love it. I have my heart. Heart banta hai ka. This one has my heart. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And I also got like a 30 ml or 20 ml something. We got this now. Spray होईल असं मी काढलं तर. काय आहे? This is such a perfect, travel-friendly. Waste नाही करायचं मला again. So yeah, 2 babies French. That's it. That's it for today's video. Again, this one was for rupees 10,200. for these two, I think, which is completely worth it because the way this perfume smells is divine. It's like perfection. So yeah, किती वाटते मला हे काढायला. I won't keep this one in this stash. Okay. My name.
And it's a logo.
I'll keep this one. राहणार आहे का? हे टाकेल. ओके. थोडीशी मला भीती वाटते. थोडीशी नाही बरीच वाटते. Okay, so except this perfume that I bought like last week, I have 2 more luxury perfumes and I guess I'll show them in this video so that proper collection ho jayega of my luxury perfumes. So I had 2 Libra. This one is the intense one and these 2 are the original ones, which I will show it to you. I had these 3 luxury perfumes before I bought all these perfumes, which I loved. And I think I still love them equally. I just love it. This is like my signature scent. You will always find me smelling like this one. But abhi I can't say. I have so many options now. So these 2 are the 90 ml versions of YSL Libra. This one is YSL Libra and this is YSL Libra Intense. Libra Intense is na hai? Yeah, this one is YSL Libra. And this one is YSL Libra Intense. This one my brother gifted me and I got this one for myself. But I ended up loving this one a little too much. So I bought this little tiny baby. I love this one. This one is like, this one smells like a boss. Can you guys see? Right now this tray is very expensive. 50-60,000 से भी ज़्यादा. These are all the luxury perfumes that I own till today. आगे जाके I'm going to buy many more. I know I already have 4 on my list. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And अगर आपने अभी तक subscribe नहीं किया है मेरे channel को तो please जाके subscribe करो. I'm going to film more videos on perfumes, on beauty, on makeup. So many things. That's it for today's video, guys. I love you so much and thank you so much.